Hello, good afternoon everybody. Myself G.H. Dahole, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering, Government Polytechnic Gondia. Uh, After watching this video, the learner will be able to define principle of EDM, that is the electro discharge machining. The learner will be able to describe the elements of EDM. The learner will be able to describe the construction and working of electro discharge machining, and also the learner will be able to state advantages of electro discharge machining. So let's see what is the electro discharge machining, the principle of electro discharge machining. In the principle of electro discharge machining, the material is removed from the material by means of a spark erosion. The tool and the workpiece, the spark is produced in between the tool and workpiece, and the gap which is maintained at a 0.0125 to a 0.5 mm, and the dielectric fluid is supplied through the gap, so that at high temperature it is ionized and it enables the passing the electric spark. So in case of electro discharge machining, the material is removed by means of a spark erosion which is produced in between the tool and the workpiece. Let's see the construction of the. Here we have the figure of the electro discharge machining. So in the construction, the elements which are required for the electro discharge machining, that the tool, this is the tool should be there, which should be a conductor of the electricity, and also the job should be also the electrical conductor of the electricity. Then this tool is connected to the DC supply, and the workpiece is connected to another end of the DC supply. Then the dielectric slurry at a pressure near around the 2 bar is passed by means of the pump. The pump filter is there. Through this piping, the dielectric fluid is passed, and then the tensile force is generated at the workpiece, which is tear of the molten metal at high temperature. So this is what about the construction of the electro discharge machining. The tool is called as a cathode, whereas the workpiece is called as a anode. Now let's see. Let's see now the working of a electro discharge machine. So in the working of the electro discharge machining, the high current DC current is passed around the 50 to the 450 volt. Then at the end of the tool, the spark is produced, and that spark, the dielectric fluid, it is ionized, and due to that ionization, that the spark is passed from the one end of the tool to the workpiece, and thereby it is producing a temperature of around 10,000 degrees centigrade. And due to the high temperature at a localized spot, the molten metal which has been melted just below the tool surface, then it gets tear off, and thereby by means of the erosion process, by means of electric spark, the material from the workpiece is removed, and therefore hence it is called as a electro discharge machining. Now let's see the advantages. The advantages, the electro discharge machining can machine a very hard material. Also the brittle material can be also machined, and also very thin material can also be machined. No doubt if there is a requirement that that tool and the workpiece should be electrical conductor. So any electrical conductive material can be machined by this electro-discharge machining process. It is a complicated machining, any shape, complicated shape and profile can be machined. And the small hole of 0.08 micron can be machined by this electro-discharge machining process. So these are the advantages of electro-discharge machining process. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, I am thankful to you.